In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust your employees' priority and skill level for a specific station. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Teamwork. Make sure you have either the enterprise or the location selected, then click on Stations. Choose the station you would like to assign employee skills to. Then go to your new top menu bar and click on Skills. You should arrive at a list of employees who've been assigned skills for this specific station. First is the location for these station skills, then is the employee's crew, then the employee name, and finally the priority. Even though priorities are given stars, it is not a rating. When you give someone a high priority for a specific station or location, they are more likely to be scheduled to work there. If you give someone a low priority, then they are not as likely to be scheduled to work at that station. To add an employee to this station, go to the top of the chart and click Add. Then select the employee. I'm going to scroll down and choose Oak. You do need to assign this station skill to a specific location, so choose the location. I'll say Coffee Shop C. Then give this employee a priority at that station. If Oak is a good head cashier, I might give him a higher priority. Let's say 7. If you don't want to add this employee to this station, choose Close. I do, so I'm going to select Save. And now Oak has been added to this station. If I want to remove an employee from a station, I can click on that employee, then go to the bottom of the chart and choose Clear. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to remove this employee from this station. If you don't, choose Cancel. I do, so I'm going to select OK. And now that employee has been removed. If you want to adjust an employee's priority, click on that employee, then change their priority at the bottom of the chart. Let's say that I want Zach to be scheduled somewhere other than head cashier. I might lower his priority to, we'll say 4. If you don't want to lower your employee's priority, don't do anything. If you do, click Update. Now Zach's priority has been changed from an 8 to a 4. That's how you can adjust an employee's priority for a specific station. Check out the next video to learn more about your TeamWork 5 account.